A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a historic turn of events, former Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte has arrived at the International Criminal Court, ICC, in The Hague, facing serious charges of crimes against humanity stemming from his notorious war on drugs. Supporters gathered outside the ICC's detention center on Wednesday night, waving national flags and chanting, "Bring him back," as a vehicle believed to be carrying Duterte sped through the iron gates. The 79-year-old arrived in the Netherlands after a dramatic extradition from Manila, where he unapologetically defended his controversial anti-drug campaign that has been linked to the deaths of thousands. The ICC has indicated there are reasonable grounds to charge him with murder as a crime against humanity, a development that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape both in the Philippines and internationally. The official death toll from Duterte's campaign stands at around 6,000, though human rights activists suggest the actual figure could be much higher, potentially reaching tens of thousands. Duterte has argued that his aggressive approach was necessary to combat drug-related crime and improve public safety. However, critics argue that his methods have led to widespread human rights abuses, particularly targeting young men from impoverished urban areas. The former president's arrival marks a significant moment for the ICC, making him the first Asian former head of state to be indicted by the court and the first suspect to be brought to The Hague in 3 years. This case underscores the ICC's ongoing struggle with state cooperation and the political complexities that can influence its operations. Duterte's arrest was facilitated by a sudden shift in political dynamics within the Philippines, particularly a rift between Duterte's family and current President Ferdinand Marcos. Despite previously dismissing cooperation with the ICC, Marcos's administration moved quickly to execute the arrest warrant, highlighting how quickly the tides can turn in politics. The process of Duterte's extradition was closely monitored on social media, with updates shared by his daughter Kitty and himself, providing a rare glimpse into what is usually a secretive judicial process. As the world watched, Duterte took to Facebook to assert his role in the law enforcement actions during his presidency, stating, "I will protect you, and I will be responsible for all of this." This case has reignited debates about national sovereignty and the ICC's role in global justice, especially among non-member states that view the court with skepticism. The ICC relies on its member states for funding and operational support, making Duterte's case a litmus test for the court's efficacy in a polarized world. ICC prosecutor Karim Khan recently faced sanctions from former U.S. President Donald Trump over the ICC's actions against Israel, making Duterte's arrival a significant counterpoint. Khan emphasized that while international law may have its weaknesses, it is not as powerless as some believe. Duterte's 80th birthday this month will be spent in the ICC's detention facility, which offers a range of amenities including private cells, computers, and medical care. He is expected to make his initial court appearance soon, where he will be informed of the charges against him and his rights as a defendant. Following this appearance, a confirmation of charges hearing will take place, determining if the prosecution has enough evidence to proceed to trial. Should the charges be confirmed, it could be many months, or even years, before a final judgment is reached. For victims of Duterte's drug war, this moment represents a glimmer of hope for justice, as they have long sought accountability for the alleged atrocities committed during his presidency. Gilbert Andres, a lawyer representing victims, expressed gratitude for the arrest, stating, "This is a great signal for international criminal justice. It means that no one is above the law." The ICC's ability to function effectively in an increasingly complex political environment will be closely scrutinized as Duterte's case unfolds, serving as a critical test for the future of international law and human rights accountability. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.